The back don't hurt. The only part that hurts is this side and right here. Those are the only parts that hurt because they're so thin. Alright, that's it. I'm done with that. I'm just gonna start bleeding, y'all. So what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright, so right before we get into this video, make sure you click that link in the description below. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. I want you to smash that subscribe button for me. But guys, this intro is not gonna be too long. You already see in the title. You know what's about to go down. I'm about to, my scalp is going to be on dubs after this, man. I'm about to try something out. I know I tell you guys not to brush, your low cuts with a hard brush all the time. I'm about to break that rule and try it out. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
What happened? They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright, y'all, so y'all can see what I'm working with, you feel me? It's not perfect, I'm still working, you feel me? I'm about to go do another wool session, work on my crown. I'm trying to break this fork up here, okay? So, I didn't brush for the past, I brushed 2 days ago. I didn't brush yesterday. Yesterday I had my do-rag on all day. It was a busy day, so I didn't brush. I was busy editing and everything, doing this and that, and I didn't have time to brush, all right? So I'm gonna just go in with a hard brush, cause, yeah. Okay, yeah. That junk hurts. So, matter of fact, let me add some products then. I'm gonna add a little bit of product. Product I'm using is this. Get yours today. A link in the description. By 260 King Wavy. Use my discount code 360 Juice 26, 360 Juice 26 to get 26% off your purchase. This hurts, man. Do not try this at home. Can y'all actually see the pull? Like, can y'all see it pulling? I don't know if it's pulling or not, because I just feel the pain right now. Sheesh. Alright, so you already know I'm thinning. You already know I'm thinning over here. So this part hurts the most, man. So like, if I do this every single day with this kind of cut, I feel like this is gonna be even worse. Okay, so that's why you don't do this when you're at a 1 or a 1.5, man. This hurts. It feels good back here because this is thicker. But when I get to over here, man. This one feels okay. This part right here. Whew. This part don't hurt as much. This side doesn't hurt as much. But this side hurt like a, I don't know, man, this don't hurt. And back here hurts too. Cause this is so thin right here, it hurts. Oh man. Whew. Oh man. I don't know if I should keep going or not because I feel like I'm gonna start bleeding. Alright, let's just go. No pain, no gain, man. No pain, no gain. I'm gonna break this fork, man. I'm gonna break this fork. This hurts. My head is hot, man. It is hot. Only y'all know how much this gonna hurt, man. The back don't hurt. The only part that hurts is this side and right here. Those are the only parts that hurt because they're so thin. Alright, that's it. I'm done with that. I'm just gonna start bleeding, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna just finish it off with a soft brush, just to lay everything down. Man. 2-6 King Wavy bag, feel me? It's velvet do-rag. Get yours today. Link is in my description. Use my discount code 360juice26 for 26% off. Alright, y'all, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I was hurting myself. I almost cried. My head is burning up right now, alright? Do not try this at home. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also, the giveaway is coming up. I don't know how many days, but I'm gonna pick the one on the 25th, so y'all stay tuned for that. And good luck. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace.